Good evening, everyone. It is, I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:54 here on the East Coast. And yeah, I'm still working. Most days I work long hours. However, I do take time for the gym and I do take time for my kids, picking them up from school, have dinner with them, check in what their day is. And I juggle all the tasks that I juggle, being a mother, being a wife, being a business owner of several businesses, and helping other teams and being of service to them. So yeah, my days are long and eventually they'll be shorter. Right now, they're longer. So one thing that really popped out to me today, and it came up in several conversations with folks that I've been on the phone, because I am on the phone a lot. And that was being intentional when you go into a networking event, or being intentional and having a well-formed outcome. And you hear me say the term well-formed outcome over and over again. And yes, I just took a shower. I just came from the gym, so that's why I'm looking like that. A little rugged today. Being intentional when you go networking is key to not being busy, but being productive. Someone asked me the other day, "So Brigitta, I see that you're really busy." No, I really stay away from being busy and busy work and the word busy, and really focus on being intentionally productive and doing tasks that are revenue generating and that are being of service to others. So being intentional as you go into networking events or asking for bigger, better other clients. And one thing that I want to share with you was when I go to a networking event, I ask the person that I know is going to be putting on the event, or that I know is in a leading role of that event, maybe Chamber of Commerce, BNI, whatever it might be, that already knows the people that are coming to this event. And I ask, hey, this is my intention for this networking event. I want to meet 3 people or make 3 connections in large corporations, maybe HR or the people that are doing the trainings there. Will you make an introduction? And they're like, yeah, sure. Brigitta's always of service and she's always so helpful. I'd be happy to make an introduction to whoever she needs an introduction to. Now I'm being very intentional. Now I can go. And of course, I always have my cards with me and do a little game with the people that I meet and crack their codes. By the way, these are incredible icebreakers. You should have at least 5 sets of these. One in your desk drawer, one in your car, one in your purse, one in your wallet, and give it to someone else. It's a great little present as well. So I go and I crack people's codes. It's a great conversation starter. I have taken Chamber of Commerce networking events and coffees hostage with these cards. And then I can also have those conversations, and very intentional conversations with the people that I'm being introduced to. And now they're not a awkward cold lead. Hi, my name is Brigitta, what do you do? Now it's a warm lead. It's a very warm lead as an introduction. And it just takes all the awkwardness out of starting a conversation. Although it's hard for me to probably lead to find a stranger that I can talk to or not talk to. Anyway, those are my 2 cents for today on networking and being intentional. Drink more and laugh more and be productive. Good night, everyone.